The WHO has issued a medical alert over some cough syrups that were used on children in Gambia and were said to have been responsible for the death of over 60 of these children. Those cough syrups were analyzed by the World Health Organization and were found to contain toxic substances that could have been responsible for the kidney injuries that led to the deaths of these children. I'm bringing this news to you because Nigeria is one of the biggest markets for medicines and many other imported products. So if you have bought or are already in possession of these products, it is important to dump them now. The products were reported to contain unacceptable quantities of diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol, which are toxic to the body. I'm going to list these drugs now so that you can know them and even recognize them in case you see them. They are not to be consumed by anyone. And they are promethazine oral solution, promethazine oral solution, cofexmalin baby cough syrup, Macof baby cough syrup, Magrip N cold syrup. So these are the products, and they are manufactured by Maiden Pharmaceuticals that is based in India. So it's important for you to take note of this information. Here in Nigeria, NAFDAC has made a medical alert as well over some brands of dexamethasone which were analyzed in the laboratory and were found to contain certain amounts certain substances that should not be present in the product at all. While some of them, it was noticed that they did not contain the exact amount of the active ingredients that they claimed to contain on the label. These ones are also being recalled from the market. So in case anyone is using these brands and batches of dexamethasone, they should desist and return them to the pharmacy where they may have purchased them. The pharmacists and the healthcare professionals have been called to participate in this product recall from the market. Dexamethasone is an anti-inflammatory, anti-allergic medication usually prescribed for some patients, and it is popularly called mawu mawu in this part of Nigeria because there are some off-label uses of these medicines. However, it is important for us to just identify these batches and brands and not use them because of these issues raised by NAFDAC. Till I see you in my next video, continue to stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.